Okay, I'm using these ESP32s, two of them, one pretending to be a probe and sending to other one. I made a mistake before, believing that I had 5 microseconds when I miscalculated the speed of transfer, but this time I used the oscilloscope, and here I can see, okay, so the measurements is in 1 millisecond, and yellow is actually a trigger line. So that was a trigger from the probe, not from the pin. I should maybe test that to put it like when actually this chip thinks that the probe detected and it's high or low, actually from high to low. But we can calculate the number of squares, and it's 3.3 milliseconds is from the trigger somewhere. Oh, actually it shows where it did trigger here, but that doesn't mean that actually the chip. I need to investigate that a little bit more, but it's still pretty fast. And we can see here that there was 1 millisecond or a little bit less into following probe detections. So the blue line is actually when the second ESP32 thinks it got the signal and pulled the pin high. So this still looks promising, even if I made a mistake of miscounting microseconds in milliseconds.